I have a rash on my leg.
Rash on your leg. Okay,
Uh-huh.
let's see. Let's get a good look at that. How long you had that?
Over 4 months.
Is that what you were using, the ketoconazole cream?
Yes.
Who gave you ketoconazole cream?
The Minute Clinic.
Minute Clinic. I don't want to, talk bad about anybody else, but that's not a fungal rash.
It is
They
not.
told you that was a fungal rash? You thought it was what, psoriasis?
Yes.
Eczema? Or as I heard on TV the other day, eczema. That's weird.
Eczema?
People say eczema. It's not eczema. That's not a fungal skin rash or a dermatophytosis. That is a neosporin rash.
For real?
Yeah, you did that to yourself.
Oh my goodness.
How long have you been putting neosporin on?
For a long time,
Since the
2
beginning,
times
right?
a day.
And they didn't tell you at the Ready Clinic? I'm sorry, the urgent care clinic?
No, they did not.
I'd go back by and get a refund.
Yeah.
I'd say, I was treated for a fungal skin rash.
Uh-huh.
Obviously, they did not do any tests. They didn't scrape it or anything like that.
Nope.
No, that's not a fungus. That is not a ringworm, and that is not that's not a problem that's going to resolve with ketoconazole, okay, cream or otherwise. So all you have to do to get this to clear up is simply stop putting Neosporin or any kind of product that has a heavy petroleum base in it, because you are getting a little skin breakdown from the actual petroleum base in the ointment.
Yeah, because it hurts. It's almost like it's rubbing something off and completely deformed my skin.
This is one of those easy ones to take care of. Okay?
Well done.
All right. Thanks.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video. I took mine. How about you?
Coconut loves Meta 7, okay? Because look, I could not get comfortable for anything last night. I went to sleep at 1 o'clock this morning, woke myself up around 5, and I have been knocking patients out all day nonstop, and I still have a whole mess of energy. Thank you, Dr. Gilmore, for making Meta 7.
Okay, so you took Meta 7 this morning.
Yeah, I take it every morning.
You take it every morning. And so even though you had a hard time sleeping last night, you took Meta 7 this morning, and now you are a medical assistant machine.
I am a machine. I'm a tank.